Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, in my like where I work, so the space is very close and tight. The kitchen is very small, and there are 2 or 3 females who are working with me at that time. So Sheikh, it's like sometimes I feel to lower my gaze, and when somebody is explaining me something like how to do this, as I'm new there, right? So they try to still I'm like learning things. So it's hard. Like I have to see their faces to concentrate what they are saying. So after doing all of this, Sheikh, is my income halal, or should I leave the job?
This question, Ya Talal, you've asked me similar to it on daily basis for a few weeks now. And I don't know what is difficult to explain. The income is separate from other haram things. You are a security guard. You are an IT assistant. You are whatever you do. Your job description is what you're getting paid for. If you speak with women, if you look at women, if you listen to music, if you wear red t-shirts because this is a uniform, these are separate from your income. It can be sinful and it can be permissible for due to necessity, as when we spoke about the uniform. Now, when I live in a kafir country and I'm the breadwinner and I have to mix with the opposite gender because there is no segregated place to work, and I have to communicate with women, whether she's a flight hostess, a nurse, a woman that sells in a shop, a police officer. I can look at this pen, but actually I cannot describe it because I'm looking through the pen. So yes, I'm looking at the camera and the pen is in front of me, but I cannot describe it because I'm focusing on the camera. If you ask the pen would say, oh, I'm looking straight into their eyes. There's no problem in that because I'm not looking. There is a difference between this and looking at those who are talking to you and see if they have foundation on their face, what kind of makeup they're having, if they have eyeliners, if they have shadow, if they have lipsticks, if they're marking their lips with a pen and different color. What are you doing? They're talking to me, Sheikh. Yeah, but you're photographing them. This is haram and you're sinful for that. Nevertheless, this has no impact on your income. Is to rinse your mouth and nose and blow your nose. Normal people, when they have stuffed nose or mucus or something that is bothering them, they would not just go on, move on. They would clean their noses. That's the norm of rinsing your nose.